Hey second graders, welcome to our second day of the mystery number activity. So we have a mystery number, and the mystery number has 1 1, 0 10s, and 3 hundreds. So how many place values do we have? We have the ones, we have the tens, and we have the hundreds, right? So we have 3 place values. So on my board, I wrote ones, tens, and hundreds. Now I'm just going to fill in the information they gave us. So how many ones are there? 1 1. How many tens are there? 0 tens. And how many hundreds are there? 3. So this number is 301. It has 3 hundreds, 0 tens, and 1 1. What is the value of this 1? It's just 1. And this value of 0 is really 0. Yeah. What's the value of this 3? Is it just 3? It's 300. This 3 is actually 300. It's not just 3. It's 300. Let's do one more example of a mystery number. I need to erase because this was a biggie. And for this one, I want you to really pause me so you make sure that you're doing the thinking too. So I want you to answer my questions and make sure you pause to answer them, okay? Don't let me just keep blabbing, because sometimes I just talk, and I want to make sure I'm giving you time to think. Okay, so it says my mystery number has 6 tens, 5 hundreds, and 0 ones. Ooh. How many place values are represented? Pause and think. How many? And then come back. Welcome back. How many place values are represented? If you were thinking 3, kiss your brain. Nice job. We have the ones, we have the tens, and we have the hundreds. Okay? It says my mystery number has 6 tens, 5 hundreds, and 0 ones. What I want you to do is on your whiteboard, if you have one, or on a piece of paper with a pencil, I want you to put the 3 lines, so the ones, the tens, and the hundreds, and I want you to use this PowerPoint, use the picture there, use what I read to you to write down the number and be able to tell me what the number is. 6 tens, 5 hundreds, 0 ones. Pause the video and then come back when you wrote the number down. Hello, welcome back. I hope you paused the video and gave it a try. All right, so if you were thinking 0 ones, there's a 0 in the ones place. Pat yourself on the back. You rock. If you were thinking, it says 6 tens and you put a 6 in the tens place, pat yourself on the back again. You're awesome. And if you put a 5 in the hundreds place, I want you to raise the roof for second grade. Raise the roof for yourself. Nice work. Can you read this number to me? Pause the video and read this number and then come back. All right, let's read it together now. 560. This number is 560. How many hundreds does it have? Show me with your hands. 5. 5 hundreds. How many tens does it have? Show me with your fingers. How many tens? 6. And how many ones does it have? How many ones? 0. Okay. What is the value of 0 in the ones place? Pause the video and come back. So you're going to pause the video. I want you to tell me what's the value of 0 and then come back. Are you back? The value of 0 is 0. Did you know that? If you didn't, now you do. The value of 0 is always just going to be 0, okay? What about the 6 here? What is the value of the 6 in the tens place? What is this worth? Is it just 6? pause the video and come back. The value of 6 is, welcome back. The value of 6 is 60. Did you know that? Did you say that? I hope so, because the 6 is in the tens place. So it's 6 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And what is the value of the 5 in the hundreds place? Is that just worth 5? No way. What is it worth? I can't hear you. What is it worth? 500. It's 500. If you could have 560 of anything, what would you want 560 of? I wonder. I wish I could have 560 potato chips. I love potato chips. All right, second graders, if you came to this lesson and you stayed until the end, you're going to get a little reward. I have to show you Tilly right now. She looks so cute. Take a look. I'm going to be really quiet. Do you see her? Oops. She is very, very sleepy. Thanks for coming to your math lesson. Now, make sure you complete the activity on Seesaw. You're going to keep practicing place value. And we're really practicing the hundreds, the tens, and the ones today. But if you remember learning about the thousands place and you're like, oh my gosh, the thousands place, I want more work with the thousands place. Don't worry. You have an IXL activity and you'll keep practicing the IXL or practicing the thousands place with IXL. All right. Bye, second grade.